Wait! Before you start working out and bulking up, pay attention to this upgrade that will help you get bigger than you ever thought possible, even faster. First off, I want to thank you for your purchase. If you follow the step-by-step guide to getting bulked up the right way, you'll start seeing results quickly. But what if you could get better results even faster? What if you could see noticeable gains in your muscle mass within a few days, not weeks? Although the guide you just purchased is structured in a very easy-to-follow, user-friendly format, it's a proven fact that most people are visual learners and learn best by seeing something being done, not just reading about it. How do you learn best? Are you a visual learner like most people? If you're like the majority of people out there looking to bulk up, watching a video makes it easier to get started and see big results faster. Unfortunately, most people that buy books or text-based guides on fitness and bulking up don't even get through the entire guide. And of the few that do make it all the way through a guide, most rarely stick with it or follow through. What if you didn't have to choose between video training or a text-based guide? What if you could have both a text-based guide to refer back to and combine it with a step-by-step video training program? And what if the video training would help you to bulk up like the Hulk even faster than you ever thought possible? The good news is, today you get that very opportunity. Introducing the video upgrade to the bulking guide you just purchased. This video upgrade will help you to get big gains in muscle mass the right way as quickly as possible. Here's why you need to get this powerful upgrade today. If you don't bulk up the right way, you might struggle to get the results you'd hoped for when you originally purchased the guide. Doing things wrong can waste a lot of your time. It can also be really discouraging when you do things wrong and don't get results quickly. And you can even put yourself at risk for injury by doing things incorrectly. That's why it's so important that you fully understand exactly what's needed to bulk up your body and beef up your muscle mass. To make absolutely sure you don't slow down your progress, get poor results, or risk injuring yourself. In fact, most people that try to bulk up on their own just don't see the best results. That's because there's a lot of information floating around out there that just doesn't work. The good news is, when you get this video upgrade, you'll get a proven, accurate plan for quickly building muscle that's easy to follow and stick with. Upgrading to the video version guarantees that you'll build muscle and get bulked up faster than you would with just the guide alone. Click the button below to get instant access to the upgrade. And of course, as an existing and valued customer, you'll get the upgrade with special, customer-only, discounted pricing. When you consider that this is truly the next best thing to having a personal muscle-building expert coming to your home and showing you exactly how to get ripped, it will be easy to charge $500 or more for this easy-to-follow upgrade. But you won't pay anywhere near that when you say yes to upgrading right now. And to make it even easier to upgrade, you're also going to get an exclusive bonus of 10 high-quality audio MP3s of all the videos. This makes it easy to stay focused on your goal and even train while you're on the go or traveling. When you add the MP3s to the 10 high-quality videos that show you how to transform your body and get bulked up in record time, it's impossible to fail. You will have the bulked-up body you've always wanted. And to make this completely irresistible, you get to test drive this upgrade for the next 30 days. With absolutely zero risk. If for any reason or no reason at all you're not 100% satisfied with what you learn inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every single penny of your tiny investment. No questions asked. But please don't wait. This is an exclusive one-time offer at pricing that's only available to my existing customers. If you wait, you may never get another chance to get access to this at a price this low. Click the button below to get instant access today.